great artist. Did you know Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore, you would have seen his portrait, a man with dadi and all, big white dadi. He was also a good painter. Did you hear of a name called M.F. Hussain? M.F. Hussain, very great artist of our country. I'm talking about India. I'm not talking about Leonardo da Vinci or Michael Angelo. No, not those. I'm talking about art people from our country, the great India. So let us see today what are all the different types of paintings which not paintings of our country which we can see and enjoy. Okay, next slide, second. Yeah. Okay, art and artists. First type of painting, see the name, kalamkari painting. Kalam in Hindi, kalam means pen. Karigar means worker. Kari means work. Kari. Kalamkari means painting. Kalamkari is a type of painting which is done with fine pens. This bamboo, big bamboo. Bamboo is a grass, you know. It is a grass. It is the tallest grass. Bamboo. That bamboo is cut and made into fine pens, very fine tip pens, and that pen is dipped into vegetable dyes. Vegetable dye means what, you know, from leaves, from colored flowers, the extract is taken and it is made into a colorful dye that is applied as a paint. A dye is a colored substance. Color, it will have pink color, it will have red color, it will have green color, yellow color, what color you want, any color. You can mix these dyes and get yet other types of colors. So we are first going to see kalamkari painting. You pronounce the name and see. All of you tell together, kalamkari painting.
Kalamkari.
Once more.
Kalamkari
painting. Once more.
Kalamkari
Very good. Now for this painting, usually pens made up of bamboo is used. And did you know which state of our country this painting originated? First, who started kalamkari painting? Means which state? The states are Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In these two states, Telugu is the language. They speak beautiful language. Sweetest language in India is supposed to be Telugu language. Very sweet. And beautiful songs are sung in Telugu language. Okay. So here it is in this state where this kalamkari paintings originated. Originated means was first started. Let us see what this and remember these kalamkari paintings previously, first when it started, it was made from natural substances like leaves, flowers, fruits, dry fruits, roots. To get the colors, they use these substances, these materials. We'll see what it is. See, beautifully, two elephants. Isn't it? They have tusks. See the beautiful painting, kalamkari painting. One elephant is trying to pull the tree branch. These are natural paintings which the artists, the painters The Kalamkari painters of
Good afternoon,
Telangana.
ma'am.
Now don't talk in the middle. Don't wish good afternoon now. I'm going to the paintings. We are all looking at the paintings. We are not bothered about your good afternoon now. Okay. Now, see that painting? Two elephants. Though it may look very absurd, you see, one is trying to pull the branch, the other one is trying to move away from it. This is how the artist saw in his eyes, he saw these two elephants. And look at the two tusks of the elephants. See here, one teeth here, other one will be at the butt. That is called as tusk. Inside the elephant's mouth, there will be other teeth for eating grass and all. These two teeth are for show, a tusk, very costly, these two tusks, From this only, what these poachers, forest thieves, what do the forest thieves do, They are called as poachers. They will kill the elephant and take these tusk, 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 and then make a beautiful ivory statue and all. Very bad. Must not kill animals. So, when we look at these elephants, we are reminded these are also living things like us. We must take care of them. So see the beautiful painting. Doesn't it look nice?
Yes, ma'am.
And see the leaves. Maybe you must be thinking the leaves must be green in color. The branches must be brown in color. But the artist thinks differently. Artist won't think like us. He will think differently. He made the branches white and the leaves, you see, gray or brown mixture of that. And look at the elephants. Wow. We want elephants to be gray, isn't it? It should be gray. Have we seen a white elephant? Did you see a white?
No, ma'am.
That is what. So,
Oh,
see.
ma'am.
Yes.
Came my home to elephant, ma'am.
Ayyo, two elephants came to your house. Were they white elephants? Were they white elephants? So see how the artist is thinking differently. You will think, today evening I must go to the market, I must buy Cadbury's, that there. Artist will think, tomorrow in my painting, should I make the elephant brown or white, like that? His thought is different. Okay. Kalamkari painting of two elephants. Where did it originate? Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Now, who's this God? Allah.
Krishna.
Very good.
Krishna, ma'am. Krishna, ma'am.
You should say Lord Krishna or Krishna Bhagwanji. Krishna Bhagwanji. Bhagwan.
Krishna Bhagwanji.
Yes, Krishna Bhagwan.
Bhagwanji.
Yes, Bhagwan, Krishna Bhagwan. और कृष्ण का और एक नाम क्या है बोलिए? Tell another name for Krishna. He is having a murli in his hand. Murli. See, he is having a murli in his hand. Give another name for Krishna. Kolalu. He is having in his hand. He is going to play on the flute.
Kolalu.
Kolalu. So tell another
Kolalu,
name
ma'am.
for
Butter Krishna.
What Krishna? What Krishna?
Benne Krishna.
Benne Krishna. Okay. I will call him Benne Krishna. I will call him Murlidhar.
Murli.
Murlidhar. Krishna's another name. Krishna. Another name.
Gopala, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Now we will see the painting. Kalamkari painting. See? The Kalamkari painting, how he has made the artists of very old times, much before our time. How he did anybody see Lord Krishna? No. But how the artist, how the painter thought of Krishna in his mind, he has put. Krishna with long earrings, with a throne, with a peacock feather in his throne. See, and Krishna, Lord Krishna was very dark. Lord Krishna was very dark. He was not fair. He was very dark. Huh? He always used to feel sad. Why I am so black? Other all my friends and my brother Balaram, he is so fair. I have become very dark. He used to always ask his mother, यशोदा, मैं क्यों ऐसे काला बन गया? मुझे क्यों काला बनाया आप? ऐसे बोलते थे. फिर mother used to console him. Mother used to tell, even though you are dark, you are the most beautiful boy in the whole world. Then Krishna would feel happy. Krishna would feel happy hearing that, and he would start playing on his flute. You know, you should, during your time, you should also, during your free time, ask your father or mother to buy a small flute, simple, very less cost flute. Try to play that. Beautiful sounds come. You can play any music. You can play any song on that.
In my home is there, ma'am.
Very good. You learn to play it. You learn to play the music, the flute.
Ma'am, in my home is there, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. So, see this painting, Kalamkari painting of Lord Krishna, and look at his eyes, look at the bindi which the person put. You know, even now we find people, gents are also putting bindi, long bindis. And Krishna, Lord Krishna, Krishna Bhagwan was the most beautiful person and used to keep everybody very happy, very happy. See, another ladies doing kalamkari painting on a bed sheet. First, the design is drawn. The design is drawn, and then using simple colors, how they are doing, how they are making the kalamkari painting. I suppose there is a fish also there. No, there is a fish swimming. See where I've kept my cursor. There is a fish, and the ladies, see how nicely with a bamboo stick they are using and painting it. Okay, kalamkari painting originated in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, 2 states. Okay, I'm going ahead. Next one, Tanjore. Now it is not called Tanjore, it is called as Tanjavur. 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 Tanjavur is a town, a temple town, so to say. Many temples are there. It's a temple town in Tamil Nadu. Southern Tamil Nadu means down below. You have to come in the map of India, down below. It's a temple town. Naturally, these temple towns will have so many paintings, beautiful paintings done by painters long years ago. And do you know the wonder? Even today, these painting, not even the paints have not lost their shine. Beautiful paintings in the caves, in the temples remain as such. They are not spoiled. So see the knowledge the painters had about what kind of dye, what kind of paint has to be used. All right. Now we are seeing, I think we are seeing 2 pictures here, isn't it? First one is what is that painting? What does that Tanjavur painting show? Is it Ganesha or Lord Krishna or Shiva? Anyone?
Ganesha.
Ganesha, where is
Ganesha.
it is
Ganesha. Krishna ma'am.
See properly
Krishna.
whether it is
Krishna ma'am. Krishna ma'am. Krishna.
Yes.
Krishna.
It is, yes, stop. It is Lord Krishna. It is not Ganesha. Ganesh Bhagwan, Ganpati Bhagwan will have a swound as a trump, like a trump. That is the trunk like. It is not there. Like an elephant it will have. Where is it? And Lord Ganesha will have two rats here. Mushigam, two rats here. There are no two rats. Cows are there. See, cows. Lord Krishna, in his childhood days, he was like a shepherd. Shepherd means what? The one who takes all the cows and all for grazing and all. That's why Lord Krishna liked butter. Butter a lot. He used to steal butter from his house and eat. So these are the paintings which decorate the walls of Tanjavur temples. Earlier Tanjavur was called as Tanjore. Tanjore, that is the old name. Tanjore. Now, like we used to call Bangalore. The city was called as Bangalore. Now we call it as now what we call Bangalore? Bangalore. That is we call Bangalore. Okay, that way. Yes.
Mama having Bendakaluru.
That is very old name. Now we call it as Bangalore. Okay. So that name, like that, Tanjore was the old name. Tanjavur is the new name. Tanjavur. And look at these paintings, the peacock here. It is decorated with precious stones. Stones means nice shining colored. Ruby, sapphire, those type of stones. You see your father's ring or mother's ring will have some stones in that, colored stones. So, though these paintings, yes, these paintings were all decorated with these precious stones, then small pieces of glass. When light falls on the glass, it will shine, colored glass, and even gold. So Tanjavur temples were very rich. They were very rich. So what the kings, Tanjavur kings will tell the painters, make painting, use gold metal to decorate these paintings, small pieces of gold. So that is how our artists of years ago, they used to make paintings, natural colors. Okay, next. Third type of painting, you see, Madhubani or Maithili paintings. Maithili means friendship. These Madhubani or Maithili paintings, if you see, okay, they are from this folk type of painting. This type of painting was very famous in Bihar, in the Bihar. Okay. Now Bihar is going for elections. That state, this Madhubani or Maithili paintings. Maithili means what? Maithili, friendship. We talk about Maithili, that is friendship. Here in this painting, you see many of the people, they are all friends. They are all sitting under the tree and doing one work or the other. And see how colorful it is. Colorful. Earlier we saw first in Kalamkari painting, it wasn't, even the leaves were of gray color. But now see here in Madhubani type of paintings, that is one feature of Madhubani. Very colorful it will be. Very colorful. And the ladies' costumes also, very elaborate costumes. It will be set with glass pieces and all. The real painting, if you see, it will be very good. Madhubani type of paintings. Originated from Bihar. And in these paintings, these paintings would be based on means they would take some stories from Ramayana or Mahabharat and show it. What some stories from Ramayana or some stories from Mahabharat and make the paintings. So that anybody who looks at it, they will know, okay, this painting is from Mahabharat, where Dhritarashtra, the king without eyes, with no eyesight, is sitting and taking a darbar that way. So Madhubani Pet, this is not the one I'm talking about it. So mythology means old scriptures. Based on that, these artists from Bihar used to make paintings. Bihar is a state in our country where these Madhubani or Maithili paintings are famous for. See, Madhubani, how colorful. Did I not tell? Madhubani or Maithili painting, very colorful. Not only colorful, very bright and shining also. Glass pieces and all used to be stuck in the ghagra choli of ladies and beautifully decorated. They would have nose rings and all. Nose rings, big earrings, flowers in their hair, all that. Nice paintings. Madhubani, Maithili paintings. Okay. See the small girl here. Small girl here. Huh? And what is this in between the tree? Some visualization. See? Some cuckoo. Owl. Wool. It's not wool. Owl. It is
Owl.
looking. Yes. Yes. Owl. Owl is sitting and watching. It is hiding and seeing these ladies dancing. Are they dancing and doing some action? Will be beneath the tree. It's a big tree. It's a big tree. See how the artist drew the tree. How the artist has painted the tree. Under the shade of the tree, these ladies are dancing. Okay. I am going to the next. What is it? Kali Ghat. Kali Ghat paintings. I think this is the last. Kali Ghat. Kali Ghat is a place in West Bengal, Kolkata, West Bengal. These paintings, Kali, as the name suggests, Kali, these paintings will mainly have women as the theme. Kali, Mata Kali. Now we are going to celebrate Dashera. We are going to celebrate Dashera. That time, Kali Ma, Saraswati, Lakshmi, these goddesses will be what? Decorated, and we will pray to them to give us good brain, good intelligence, lot of money, lot of wealth, all that. So these Kali Ghat paintings, which originated in Kolkata, earlier name was Calcutta, Cutt, Calcutta. Now it is called as Kolkata in West Bengal. All have women as the theme, main theme. And see Kali here. Kali, it is a form of goddess Parvati. Kali is a form of goddess Parvati who protects all of us from all sorts of evil. Okay. Do you know the Vahan, the vehicle which Kali uses to go from one place to another? Anybody? Kali is seated on what? On which animal? I won't tell. You tell.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Ma'am,
Very
tiger.
Very good. Very good.
Tiger, ma'am. Tiger.
There cannot be two Vahans. There cannot be, Kali cannot be on two Vahans. It uses only one. Yes. I won't tell. You have to find out. You have to find out. Okay. And here,
Tiger.
acha, okay.
Tiger.
Find
Tiger.
out today you take some book, say on Indian religion. Find out what is the vehicle on which Kali goes.
Lion,
What is Kali? Huh?
Lion, ma'am.
Is it tiger?
Ma'am.
Is it
Ma'am,
tiger?
today's homework, ma'am.
Huh? Huh? Is it tiger or lion?
Lion. Lion. Lion.
Okay.
Lion.
I won't tell. You have to find out. You have to find out. Okay. And
Ma'am, today's
Kali,
homework, ma'am.
Kali always has a trishul. See here, trishul in her hand. Because if she sees, if Lourdes Kali sees anything bad happening, she will immediately kill that person. She will destroy that person. And look at the first painting. It is about Krishna from mythology. Krishna surrounded by all
Shiva.
Pardon? Not Shiva. Krishna surrounded by all Gopikas. See, Gopikas and his friends. That is Lord Krishna. See the color. See the color. Okay. So these are Kalighat paintings. Famous in Kolkata. If you go to Kolkata metro station, travel in trains, in the underground stations, you can see this Kalighat paintings, beautiful Kalighat paintings. Now, questions. Questions are given. These questions are there in the textbook. You can try to answer these questions. Now it is time, I think. You can try to answer these questions, and the next class, Vidya madam would be asking you these questions. You mark the answers and keep. For example, which art form are the painting of Ajanta? A wonderful example. Ajanta Ellora Caves. Ajanta Ellora Caves. Huh? Whether it is oil painting, I don't know, whether it is watercolor or cave in the cave paintings.
Cave painting, ma'am.
Ah,
Cave
okay.
painting, ma'am.
You tick mark.
Cave painting, ma'am.
Now don't shout. You tick mark the correct answer for each of these questions, for all the questions. And see, one man with white beard is there. You have to identify that man. Is it Raja Ravi Verma or Ravindranath Tagore or M.F. Hussain who's doing the painting? You have to find out. Huh? Okay. Like that. Yes. Like that. You have so many. You have three questions. You tick mark the answers, and next class Vidya madam would be asking you. You give the answers. Okay. Huh? And one more assignment I've given you. What is the vehicle used by Kali, goddess Parvati or Kali Ma, to move from one place to another? You said lion, horse, then tiger. I don't know. You have to find out and tell that. Huh? And tell that answer also to Vidya madam. Okay. Huh? Huh. Shall we wind up now? And you have to go through your textbook, whatever GK questions are given, answer after that. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. You can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है I'll take care. You take care of yours.